Oh, just turn around. You can turn around. We're we're doing video. This is North Adams Herman West Airport, and they're redoing the lot and stuff. They got all the blacktop all torn up. I don't know if it's been properly.
Cool, huh?
Look at the dirt.
Yep.
Did they tear something down that was here?
Nothing was here. Oh, Bozy, watch.
I can't really see the tractor with the cars. Is he looking? Hey, thanks.
Look at that.
You like that,
Wow,
Nick?
huh? There he goes. Bye. Bozy, look at it. He's getting more dirt. Oh, he's dumping it. Look at. Whoa. Wow, Bobo. What's slurping that? Let's take a spin, Bobo. He's just bouncing.
I didn't realize it was all dug up. This road used to be half this wide. It was barely blacktopped. Say hi,
There's another truck over there with big tires.
Probably has to go take a cloak.
He's a good driver, Bozy, huh? Ready?